How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace, and today on Turkey Leg TV, we're making a dragon's twist with this railroad spike thing. So let's jump right into it. First thing we're gonna want to do with this railroad spike is cut the top part off so that we can just have the shaft and the tapered end. So let's do it. The end is cut off. It's time to grind all this rust off, so let's do it. Now that we have it all cleaned off, it's time to draw some lines for us to grind to. My hand is all covered in Sharpie, and this railroad spike is all marked up. It's time to throw it on the vise and get it ground down, so let's do it. All right. Alright, now that we're done grinding all these notches into it, it's time to throw it into the forge and twist this bad boy. So let's go do it. Didn't turn out the way we wanted to, but it looks pretty neat. So here's my attempt at the dragon's tail or dragon's twist. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments. But There's only next time. So, thank you everyone for watching me make this nice looking paperweight, I guess. I'm Brandon Peace, this is TURKEYLEG TV. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you. I'll see you next time.